actually met this guy over the weekend, right? We were in line at the bagel store on campus, and we struck up a really nice conversation, and he reminded me a lot of you, so I set you guys up on a blind date.
Who is he?
You know, I don't think he ever actually told me his name, which I know sounds really skeevy and sketchy, I'm not gonna lie, but I honestly think you would really like him.
What's he like?
Well, eccentric. He's a little older. Not a lot older, but like old enough to be financially stable, which is nice. He doesn't like Jello. I remember him telling me that much. He really likes elephants. He was wearing one of those like ivory yellow shirts, and yeah, I think that you would enjoy it. It's Saturday at 8 o'clock down in Ybor.
Okay. I'll give it a shot.
Okay.
But I'm blaming you if it doesn't work.
Okay.
So, how are you today?
I'm tired.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Me too.
So, how you been doing?
I've eaten too much goddamn Jello. I just want some corn.
Corn's good. I like corn. So, how old are you?
93. Right? 93? Am I? Yes, 93.
Sure about that?
Yeah, absolutely positive.
Okay. I'll take your word for it.
Good.
So, what do you like to do?
What do I like to do? Well, I can't really do anything in my nursing home because they won't let me do anything. So I just sort of sit outside and reminisce a lot.
So, what do you reminisce about?
My time in the circus. Depression America, 1930s.
What happened? Where are we?
Shut up. So, I was in the circus. Doesn't matter which circus, it ran out of money. But there's this beautiful woman. And it was beautiful, and that's why I love elephants so much.
Okay. That's a great story.
You know, maybe I'll write you into the inheritance instead of my own bum grandchildren.
How much money are we talking?
A lot.
I'll take it.
I'm thinking maybe $2. Think there's a little bit of lint in that vault.
I think we're better as casual acquaintances. I'll write you a card every now and then.
Suit yourself, honey bunches. Nurse! Nurse! Where's my corn?
Wow, Jacob, I see you found a new companion.
I sure did. Gives as good as she gets.
You two make a lovely couple.
Thank you, we try.
So, Brianna, how was your date this last night?
Oh, it was strange.
Oh.
I think we're better as friends, and I don't know if I will ever see him again, but I'll always remember it because it was definitely an experience.
Oh, well, that's good. Do you have any other plans for this weekend?
Actually, I have a new man.
Oh my. Hello.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have a lot of fun together.
Okay, that's great.
I'll see you later.
Oh, what?
Much later.